Today I am excited to show you how to make your own rosemary hair oil. Rosemary oil is known for its amazing benefits, including promoting hair growth, reducing hair fall, and to have a nice healthy shine on your hair. In this video, we will go through a step-by-step process to create this nourishing oil right in your home. Whether you're dealing with hair thinning, dry scalp, or you want to give your locks a nice boost, then you should definitely try this rosemary hair oil. So grab the ingredients, let's get started. We need 2 ingredients to make this rosemary hair oil. Coconut oil. You can take any brand coconut oil. I have used Parachute coconut oil, which is 50 ml. Coconut oil provides deep moisture and strengthens your hair. We need some rosemary leaves. These are dried rosemary leaves available on Amazon. Rosemary is fantastic for stimulating hair follicles and improving scalp's health. It is cheap yet effective. Take a pan, add 50 ml of coconut oil. Add 3 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. Keep the flame in medium. Stir it well to ensure the leaves are fully submerged in the oil. Within 3 minutes, the oil turns golden yellow in color. This is the time to turn off the stove. Strain the liquid. Transfer it to a glass container for storage purposes. Now the rosemary oil for hair growth is ready. For application, section your hair. Dip a cotton ball into the oil and gently press it to release the oil. Cover your entire scalp with the rosemary oil. Pour the remaining oil onto your palms. Rub it between your palms and spread it on the hair length. Make sure to cover from root to tip. Put a bun and leave it for at least an hour before washing. You can also leave it overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. I left it for an hour and washed it with mild herbal shampoo. All natural hair. No straightening, no perming, no smoothening, keratin or any other salon treatments. I also avoid e-tools like blow dryer to keep my hair healthy. And this is how it looks. Continue applying this rosemary hair oil every time you shampoo your hair. This makes it easy and convenient to use. Do try this for at least 4 weeks to see visible results. Thanks for joining with me today and learning how to make your own rosemary hair oil at home. Remember, consistency is the key to see success. Take head bath with this hair oil twice a week. So within 1 month, you can see visible results. If you find this video helpful, do share this video with your friends and family who are suffering from hair thinning and hair loss. It will be useful for them too. I will leave the rosemary leaves link in the description box. It is priced at Rs 199 with the spray bottle. So grab it. Rosemary is a fantastic ingredient. Do try this oil and let me know how it worked for you. Take care. Remember, check. I will leave the links of check.